Okay, so I am in between Bismarck and Billings, Montana, and I'm gonna make some lunch. I don't have my desk set up the way I want it yet, but I have my desk tabletop here, and I am setting it on top of my bucket sink thing. So for the time being, that's what I'm gonna use it for. I'm gonna make a salad. I have a cucumber, some tomatoes, and some peppers that I'm going to wash. So I'm going to use my sink, and I'll show you how that works. And just ignore this piping for now. That is part of my desk. And I'm just going to wash it all. Here's my cutting board. Then I also want to wash this cucumber and probably just one of the peppers. And this is a no lettuce salad. I don't know if this avocado is ripe. It's so cold in here that it's pretty hard to tell if this is frozen ish or if it's a little or if it's ripe. So I'm going to hold off on the avocado. Okay, time to wash the cucumber. Now the pepper. And this water is freezing because I don't have a water heater, obviously. Okay, I'm now done using the sink, so I can put my desk on top of it again. Okay, now it's just time to chop this all up and put it in my salad bowl here. And I got all these vegetables when I was in Bismarck at Aldi. Actually, no, I was in Fargo at Aldi. Now I've got some brown rice I'm going to microwave. I'm going to turn the car on to use my microwave because I don't want to drain my battery that much. Red wine vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. I don't have any olive oil because I discovered that it froze last time I had it. So I don't have any olive oil, but I would normally use olive oil right now. So I just had to turn the car on so I could use the inverter. Fork from Chipotle. Spoon from Chipotle. Knife from Panera. Ooh, steam. Feels good. Balsamic. Red wine vinegar. Now let me show you my flavor cabinet. This has a bunch of seasoning and packaged, condiments from like Chipotle from like Panera and places like that. I'm gonna put some Dijon mustard in with it and some sesame seeds and a little bit of honey to make it a little sweet. So just to recap, I have cucumbers, yellow peppers, cherry tomatoes all diced up. Then I have sesame seeds, Dijon mustard, honey, balsamic vinegar, and red wine vinegar. That's some thick honey. Time to put everything back and mix it all up. And honestly, I'm going to eat it with a spoon, I think. Okay, so here's my salad bowl thing. Got a lot of vegetables, brown rice. Yeah, should be good. It's good.